Here's what you'll need for my roasted chili lemon cod. Some cod fillets, obviously. Garlic, lemon, some butter, olive oil, and then your spices, which are chili, garlic powder, cumin, paprika, oregano, and dried parsley. First thing we're going to do is get the zest of your lemon and the juice of your lemon. With your lemon zested and juiced, it's time to go into a bowl with your herbs and spices, half your lemon zest and half your lemon juice, or a third. Give them a quick mix round, and then we're just going to coat your cod fillets with this mixture. Then, to let those flavours soak in, we're going to pop that in the fridge for half an hour or a couple of hours if you've got the time. When your fillets have been in the fridge for half an hour, time to put some foil on a baking tray. Put your fillets onto there, and then they're going in the preheated oven at 220, 230 Celsius or 450 Fahrenheit for around 10 to 12 minutes till your cod is nice and flaky. With your cod cooking in the oven, time to get a pan out, put a knob of butter in there, and then a good glug tablespoon of olive oil. Stop your butter burning. Then it's in with the other half of your lemon zest and the rest of your lemon juice. Give them a mix and just let them warm up. When it's had its time in the oven, comes out hopefully looking something like that. It's time to plate it up with whatever accompaniment you want. In my case, I'm going to have them with some couscous and some peas, but obviously you can use whatever veg you want. So serve it up and get stuck in.